All right. Hi guys. So uh, we will, as I message you all in the morning, I'll make a video for how to identify swings, right? Uh, so tomorrow we will connect. I'll let you know the timing in the morning that when we will connect for the stock option session, right? The second leg strategy. But today, as I mentioned, I am creating a video on how to find out the swings and how you can trade using swings, right? So finding out swings, most of us know, but uh, I don't think you have been using this method, which I'm gonna tell you, right? So there are two things which you need to take care of. First, I will tell you about swing for smaller time frame, right? That is 5 minutes or 3 minutes. And second swings I will tell you for daily time frame or weekly time frame so that you can do uh, swing trades or position trades, right? How you can continue in your long term position, right? Uh, so first I'll discuss the swings for day trading, basically 5 minutes to 3 minutes, how you can identify them. And second would be the bigger time frame, right? So I have written down the let me see. Yeah, I have written down few important conditions to figure out things, right? So first is a smaller time frame, another is bigger time frame. On smaller time frame, what is important? I'll share this document or this liners with you on group. But what is important you should know is, in case we want to see any upswing, so there should be a rise with at least three or more than three candles. So this is very important. And then a fall. So this thing should be very evidently visible on screen in front of you, right? It should not be like this that you are putting lot of effort in finding this and you are unnecessarily finding this, right? I mean, if you are forcefully finding something, that means it is not valid. It should be visible to you with your naked eyes quickly, right? I'll show you how. And if you are, and if we need to find any downside swing, that is a downswing. So vice versa is there should be a fall with at least three or more than three candles and then a jump from that point. So just remember these things and your life will be very easy in finding out major swings and trade them for intraday trade in index or in stock, right? I'll show you how. So let's go on 5 minute time frame of Nifty, right? And let's take any random date. Let's go to February, maybe at any random day we can go. I don't know what Nifty was doing in February. Yes, we were somewhere here, right? So what? Let's come to this point. So see this. Start looking at things with your naked eye. One, two, three, right? Three and more than three candles a fall. You should not be doing anything here, right? If you are trading based on swing strategy, we got a fall with three or more than three candles and a jump from this point, right? So this is our swing. Simply mark it. Now, how we will trade is we want this swing to be broken with a small green candle here above this line. So for an example, prices are coming and one green candle forms here and then price breaks this with the red candle. We will short at the close of this candle and high of this green candle, if any green candle formed here, right? And we will write this momentum. That's it, right? Now, let me show you example. So see, this thing has formed. Now, see, in upside, if I say we don't have any, I will not consider it as a valid thing because we don't have any more than three or more than three upside candles, right? So this is not a swing for me. Let price to time pass. Now see, I have a swing here. Prices move with three or more than three candles, and suddenly prices came down, right? Can you see this? So this is my valid swing. In this, let me hide everything else. Can you see any other swing during this day? If you are trying to see this, 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 then you are forcefully finding these swings. And as I said in the beginning, if you are forcefully finding something, that means that is not a valid thing. This, this is not a swing. Sorry, this is not a swing. This is not a swing. This is a swing, and this is a swing, which we have marked, right? So these things should be evidently visible in your naked eye. So if you were trading Nifty during this day using swings method, there was no trade for you. As simple as that, right? Either I would have traded something like this, it fall and then gave a breakout with a small red candle here. Now see, if I am trading upside, so I need to have a red candle to put my stop loss, and I will do this. I will go long when any candle closes above it. Stop loss is this, and I will target 1 is to 2, 1 is to 3, whatever I can. As small as the red candle, the better it is for me. Let's go to next day. What happened here? Is this a swing? 1, 2. This is not a candle, right? No swing formed here, no swing here. Now see this. Here is a fall with three or more than three candles, and a jump happened here, right? From this point. So this is my swing, and the price respected this swing whole day. You can see, right? Now see this. This is my swing with three or more than three candles and a quick fall here. So this is again my swing, and price respected this whole day. Now, if prices broke this during this day, I have a resistance standing in front of me here, right? Because this is a day high. So I cannot take this trade. I want this to be taken out, then I can trade, right? These are the few small logics which we have to use. Now, let's go to next day. What happened next day? See this. Continuous fall, three or more than three candles, and a jump here. Very simple. Now I have a swing with me. See this. What I want now, prices to break this swing, and I want a green candle here, and then I will trade. Very simple. Now see, prices broke here. Was there any green candle? No. Will I trade? No. Suddenly price reversed and took a stop loss of impatient traders. Easy, very easy, right? I hope you got my point. The importance of green candle here, if I want to short. Now prices took stop loss quickly. Now this swing is not valid. I have a new swing in the place. See this. Fall and a quick jump. So this is my new thing. Now again, and see, now we have a upside swing also. A jump and a fall. So we can mark this as well. This is my swing, right? In this way. At the end of the day, prices broke, but I will not trade at 515. I mean 315 or something, but still, if you wanted to trade, so we have a green candle here. I can short this point. I can put a stop loss of this, and then I will sit for the right, right? This is the candle which we want near our swing to put our stop loss. I hope this is pretty much clear to everyone, right? Let me delete all this. Let's move to next day. Anything happened here? No swing, no swing. One, two, three. Now see this. I just came with three candles and a jump happened. I have a swing. I have green candles there as well. I will simply short it, but my stop loss is very big. If you can report this stop loss, you can trade. You will get a trending. It was a trending day, so a perfect trade. But still, let's say if you miss it, let's find out something else. Prices came one, two, three, but this is not a jump, right? I will not call it as a jump, and I will not trade this swing. This is not a swing for me. Prices did not give a jump here. They are simply breaking, falling, and falling. I don't know. There must be something on 23rd January. So prices are continuously falling. This is also again not any jump, right? This is not a jump. Prices are within the range of one candle only. So this is not a jump. This is a continuous training day. Person who caught it here is the luckiest and the smartest person. There was no entry throughout the day using swing method. Let's come to another. So now the prices are rising here and a fall came, right? See this fall. So I have a valid swing for the day. What happened after this during the day? Let's see. So throughout and now see prices fallen here and a jump happened here. So this is again a swing for me, right? See, this is a swing and that is a swing. Now what happened? So this is already 3 p.m. I will not trade. Simple story. But still, if you want a quick scalp here, see, the prices closed here, but we did not have any red candle here. So I cannot trade it. After that, this red candle formed, price is still up. Now we have a stop loss and we can trade this 1:1 trade. But it was the end of the day. It doesn't make sense to trade in the end, right? Like this for you guys at least. Now see this. Next day, prices are falling continuously and we saw a jump here, right? We have a swing in place. Did price respect the swing throughout the day? Yes. So that is the importance of this swing, right? This is swing. This is how swings work in intraday strategy. Now see this. Here we 1, 2, 3, but this is not any fall, right? I will not call this as fall because prices remain within the candle range of one candle. This is not a fall. Now see this. Again price rose and now a fall actually came here. So we have a swing here with us and we have a red candle also with us at swing. We will simply wait for the break of this swing. Let's draw some exit line here. We will wait for a closer above this swing. This candle closed above the swing. I will take my entry here. My stop loss is this red candle of 30 points, means 15 point in option. And I will get 1:2, 1:3, whatever how much you can trade. Till the end of the day, it was 1:4 trade, right? So this is the beauty of swing strategy. I will not call it a strategy, but a method how you can identify these things. Now see, again, swing form and a fall took place. We have a swing in place, right? But they ended here. That's fine. Let's come to next day. Not three candles. This is not swing. Now see, this is where a fall came with three or more than three candles, and then a jump came. We have a very valid swing here. Let's simply mark the low here of this swing. Now what I want this swing to be broken with a green candle in place. My swing is broken with a green candle here. I will enter here. I'll put my stop loss here. Did any candle close above my stop loss? Never. As I always mention about importance of closing, never. See 27 rupees is stop loss and how much we get? 1 is to 5. That is the beauty of swing, right? So I have randomly chosen these dates, day of January. Now see this, 31st January. Watch out this. 1, 2, 3. Yes. A fall came till here. I mean below this candle, right? A previous candle. So this is a considerably a good fall. I will mark the high of this. But see, there is no red candle formed here using which I can trade. If you want, I can consider this red candle with a 40-point stop loss. I mean, for the sake of putting stop loss, we can consider this that these are the red candles formed here, and we can take a 1 is to 3 trade here. Right now, again, a good swing has formed. See this, right? And a fall came till here. So I have a valid swing with me is this. Now this fall came and again a upside jump came. So I have a good downswing as well. So either side the prices will break now during the day. I can trade. Very simple. I mean it can happen this way also. Right. So I can trade this also for the downside. Because there are no swings. So if prices comes below this, they have to come and touch this bottom line, right, of the prices. So that's how it works. If there are no swings, so prices have to fall like a water here. You need to remember all these things, right? Now see this. What happens? This is not a swing. This is not a swing. See what I just said. It is coming out to be here. A swing, a swing, continuous fall. Right. So when there was no swing, prices went straight away and they came back down. Simple as that. Right. So, but we could not trade this, right? We could not trade this. We can trade it in a different way, but not as a swing. I mean, swing trading is a using swings, finding out things, right? Higher highs, higher lows, these things. I am not finding out higher high, higher low in this day trading thing, a small time frame. I am teaching you in a very simple language. You have to find more than three candles high and a fall. That would be your upswing, a fall, and a jump. That would be your downswing. So a fall came and a jump happened. So this is my downswing. Very simple. I just need to wait during this day. What is this day? Okay, so this is a new day, right? So these things will be valid only for that particular day, right? Don't think trading them on the next day. Don't do that. We will consider this thing for the day in day trading formed during the day only, right? Using this approach. Now see, this is a new day happened. This is 9:15 candle. Price is rose with three more than three candles and a fall took place. Now see, whole day price remain and a jump came here as well. The whole day prices remain throughout this. Now prices broke this, but do we have green candle? We do not have any green candle nearby. We cannot trade it. Prices came little bit down and came back. So that is the importance of green candle or red candle, right? Now we have a new day. Let's see. This 9:15. So prices rose, prices fallen. Do we have a swing in place now? Yes, we do have. Let's mark this. Do we have any swing broke? Do we have any red candle? Yes, we do have. We can trade this. This is our SL. This is what we got 1 is to 5, 1 is to 1.5 only throughout the day. Prices went sideways. I mean, we got something, right? It was not that we ended in losses, but we got something here. Let's go to next day. Prices are falling continuously. They did not do any pullback. I will not call this as a jump because the prices remain within the range of this candle. I hope you are understanding this. This is what prices did whole day. So no trade during this day. Now see here what happened here. Prices fallen with three or more than three candles falling here. Jump came. Just a second. Now see that we got a breakdown here, right? I can simply short here. I have a green candle here and I can enjoy this right here, right? If you miss this, see this one, two, three. Prices are falling with three candles continuously, and a jump came, and again prices broke this. Now let me delete it. Let me do it in this way. This is swing. Prices broke, but we do not have any green candle. However, this green candle formed. We can do it like this. Here, right? So this is the when the stop loss is very big, 74. And this was the ideal trade. But for the sake, if you want, you can do this also. But this stop loss is very big here, right? I think too many examples I have taken. Let's find out something more on a tricky day. Maybe if we can see any tricky day or what. Okay, so here, let's see. The prices are rising. There is no sharp rise or sharp fall. There is a good fall happened here. We have a swing here and we can do this. We have a red candle also. We can do this. See, a beautiful trade. Same day, I think. Yes, same day. What a beautiful trade you could have got. So that is the importance of red candle near the thing, right? I hope you got it. So you should use it, right? Learn it, oh, and see this. This is a swing. This is a swing, right? Now, until prices break this during this day, I will not stop. There is no upside swing form, so I cannot trade upside using the swing here. Right? This is a very safe and very decent method to trade. Let's see this. See, good fall and a jump. Right? See here. One, two, three. This is not a fall, a jump here. This is a good fall, and this is a jump, and this is a jump here. Right? This is a the more than three candles. Now see this. If I have to trade this thing, prices broke this thing. I will make my entry here. This is my red candle. I entered at the close of this and prices took my SL quickly and then went down for 1 is to 1.5. The day went sideways. So this is where we got stop loss 1. Right. So that was a tricky day. This is what I wanted to show you that stop losses will also be there. Now see 1, 2, 3. We have a swing, a good swing here. We have a good swing here. But yeah. Alright. So now on the upside, this is and a fall came till here. So we have this a valid swing, but see we don't have any red candle here, right? We cannot enter here. What stop loss? We cannot put. I mean, if you want, you can put a stop loss, but day was about to end. Right? So it doesn't make sense. Let's come to this day. So a good fall, right, and a good jump. So we have a swing here. Let's see what happens. So prices are going here now. Price broke at 145 here. Can I short? I cannot because my stop loss of this candle would be very big of 62 points, right? If you can afford, you can do that, and that results would be, I mean, equally good. See this, how much it came till here, right? 1 is to 2 it gave. But this stop loss is very big. I will not recommend doing that, right? Now let's come to next day. So next day, this fall came continuous and a jump came. But see this. Was there any green candle here to short? No, there was not. So I cannot short this trade. Right. However, we have this thing in picture with us. Now see, do we have this is a day, the same day only, right? This was our swing as I marked. See this, right? Prices came down, prices went up with three candles, and then a sudden fall happened. So that's why I have marked this point, right? This point. Let me show you why I marked this point. I hope you have a reason now. Prices went up and prices came down, right? So this is my reason for marking this point as swing. Now, during the same day, if you were patient enough, now see what happened is price broke my swing. Was there any red candle? No, I cannot put any stop loss. However, prices broke again. I have a swing. Prices make a new higher high here, right? Broke this candle also. So I have a confirmation that prices are bullish now. I can enter here with a stop loss of this and see I can earn this. When it's to trade 145 points I can get. I mean, in these using swings, intraday swings, you can, if you are following it with your heart, you can definitely get 50, 60 more than that point for sure. Now see this. Even if you are considering this as a swing, see this. This broke. I have a red candle in place. I entered here 84, which is very high, but still 1 is to 1 it will give you. However, if I'm considering the previous thing, I have a very small stop loss, right? So this is how you can approach this thing. Now see this swing, right? This swing is getting broken here, but do we have green? No, we cannot sort it. However, see this. Prices are coming with three or more than three candles still here, and a jump came. So I have a swing in this, right? Now let's see this. I have a swing in place with me. Fall and a jump with two, three more candles. Now let's see. Do I have a green candle to short here? Yes, I do have a green candle. Price is broke and I will short or not here. Why I cannot? Because see this. A new low has been formed as I showed in the previous example. If unless it will form a new lower low, but see the buyers are sitting here, right? You cannot short this trade. So it trapped again and went. Now see here they formed a new lower low. And if I do this, how much I am getting? I am not even getting, I did not get 1 is to 5 and again my stop loss hit. So see 75 point, does it make sense to take a risk? As I previously said also 70, 80 points stop losses are very big. You should keep your limit of these candles, small green candles near this swings should be 30, 40 points your stop loss, not more than that. So 30, 40 points in on spot means you are risking 15, 20 points hardly enough, right? Using a swing. And in stock, so you can do it very easily, right? There will not be any funda of this. So see, this is how you can do this. Let's see some talk. What can we see in talk? I mean, I have a last. Let's take it a last example. Now see, yesterday if you saw my message of SolarFin that I said it can give a very beautiful trade. What I wanted is this. I wanted a swing to happen, and then I wanted to short it with a very small stop loss. But it jumped, it closed this recent candle, it went jumped little bit, right? In fact, they tried to jump there. Now, if prices would have broken it, I would have shorted heavily with my small stop loss, and then this was my plan in SolarFin, right? This is what you can also do. So this was the winner someday, I think. Yes. Now see this. I mean, this was continuously going up and up and up and up. Right. A swing formed here, but there was no red candle here. You cannot make it as a stop loss. However, if you want to consider this, you can. Suppose this is your entry point, right? This is a swing. And if you are entering here, you can keep your stop loss of 40 points. 1:1 almost it can give you. You can do it like this in this way, right? But see again, risk to reward should be good, right? Let's find out something else in pro. See there. This is a new day. No, new day is starting when. Yeah. So this is my new day. Yeah. So anything can you see? I can see this and I can see this as a fall, right? See this. This is my stop loss of red candle. I will enter here. My stop loss is this of 10 points and quickly my stop loss is gone because prices already moved 3%. And that was the reason. Simple. This is a dead stock Metropolis and 3% move in a day is too high for it, right? Let's think of any other stock, maybe Reliance. Let's see. I'm not sure, but still, let's check. Too manipulative stock by the PE firm, but let's see still. So yeah, let's start from this day. Do we have anything? Three or more than three candles? Yes, one, two, three. We have a thing at downside, and we got a jump as well, right? So I will short only when this thing is broken. Now, do we have any upside swing? Yes, I have upside swing this and this, right? So I have a upside swing also. See, prices went up three or more than three candles and a fall came. So now, do I have any red candles if this thing is getting broken? Do I have red candle here? No, I do not have red candle near to my thing, but I can consider this if, as I said in the beginning, my risk is 8 points, and how much I'm getting? I'm getting 1:1 here. And this was almost, yeah. So after taking the SL, it shooted up because of news, definitely. So news day with the technicals cannot work. I'm wasting my time if I'm seeing this. Let's look into the line. Let's check bank. That's right. Rather bank nifty, I would prefer Fin Nifty. All right. Let's come to these days. Not let's perform here. So I have a fall in place, right? Continuous fall, any jump, no jump. Now I have a jump. So I have a swing in place. I will short unless this swing is broken, right? Now any upside swing do I can see? Here I can see any upside swing. Now see this. When will I trade? When I will see that this swing is being broken, only then I will trade. So here my swing is broken. I have a red candle in place. How much? 40 point stop loss. And how much I got? I got 1 is to 2. Very simple and very easy trade. I just need to wait and sit whole day. And I will definitely get good trade. See. Now see this. Any jump here? No jump. This is a fall and a jump here. Now I have a swing in place. Right? So I have a swing in place. These are my swings. Prices came down with more than 3 candles and a jump formed here, right? So this is something, a jump happened here, right? Yeah. So now, sorry, now when the prices will break this swing, it broke here. Do I have green candle? Yes, I do have a green candle. I can short. Yes, I can short. I will put this green as my stop loss. How much I got? I got 1 is to 1 only, and the prices is my stop loss. Then 1 is to 1 is what I got. Let's go to next day. Anything I can see? No, I cannot see. I can see here. Now see this. Prices are coming down and then prices are taking a jump. Right? 3 and more than 3 candles. Remember this concept. Why I did not take this? Because there are only, this is the only 2 candles which made a low, right? Lower low. So it should be lower low or higher high, right? Think in that way. It broke. Do I have any green? I don't have. Can I consider this candle as my green candle? If I want, I can. And this is my rate in this, right? So this is how it works. Now see this. What happened here? Prices went up 3 and more than 3 candles. A fall came. I have a swing in place. Do I have red candle? No, I don't have nearby red candle. But can I consider these red candles? If I want, I can. Prices close here. If I want to put this as a stop loss, I can. And these are things, I mean, you need to reduce your quantity if you need to again forcefully finding any red candle. However, the ideal scenarios are this red candle forming here, right? Red candles forming here near our swing point. Those are the ideal conditions, right? So this is how you can trade the swing. So now see this. This is a beautiful thing. A rise happened and a fall happened. So I have this thing for full day. Let prices dance here. They are not doing anything. Simply, I mean, if you are a smart trader, you will sell here if they are not breaking, and you will buy here. Play with the range, right? If you're a smart trader. But if you're a directional trader, you want to be safe, just follow what I have said. Now see this. What happened? Swing formed, swing formed, swing formed. All right, I have two beautiful things within a short span of time with me, right? So this is my swing. I have red candle beautifully formed near my swing. My candle closes. I have my stop loss. I am done for the day. 1 is to 2 trade. As simple as that. I hope this will be very helpful to you. Let's see this. This new day. A rise came. A fall came. A rise came. Right. So now, do I have swings with me? Yes, sir, I do have. This is my swing. And this is my swing. Now see this. What happened here? Is there any red candle nearby? This is how it will save you from trapping. See this. Any red candle nearby? Can you see? Can you enter here with this stop loss in Nifty? I will not do that. If you want, you can. And if you want to consider this morning candle, you are risking too much again, right? You can do that, but 1:1 hardly it gave and just quickly took your stop loss. And see this, what happened is within this candle, it came down to here. Can you effort to enter here with a stop loss of this small green candle have formed very nicely? Can you put 100 rupees as well? You cannot. So this is where your mind have to be smart. So yeah, that's about thing. I think I'll record a new video for this second point and will share with you soon. Till then, please practice this on index, find swings, send it to me, ask questions, as many as you want. I will answer it. Right. So yeah, uh, you would need to practice. And again, I am saying whatever is visible quickly, that would be a swing. If your eyes are forced forced to find something, that means that is not a swing. As simple as that, make it as a rule. All right. Thank you very much.